In this video, we will discuss some questions of exercise 5.2. So the first question, as you see, out of 4 values in the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4 values, as we discussed in the previous video. प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि इस फॉर्मूला में हमारे पास 4 वैल्यूज है. अगर वी नो 3 वैल्यूज देन वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द फोर्थ वैल्यू बाय पुटिंग द 3 वैल्यूज इन दिस फॉर्मूला. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में आपको यही करना है. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की हम बात करें तो उसमें हमें एक पर्टिकुलर टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है. एपी गिवन है. ओके, so I am going to start the second part of question number 2. Question number 2 का second part. In that second part, we have to find out 11th term. क्या find out करना है आपको? 11th term of the AP. And that AP is what? -3, -1/2 and 2 and so on. We have to find out the 11th term of AP. To find out the 11th term, we consider the given AP and find out the two things, that is first term and common difference. So first term is -3. Common difference is -1/2 minus this -3. So it is -1/2 minus plus 3. So it is 2 3 ja 6. So -1 plus 6/2, that is 5/2. This is common difference. We have to find out here 11th term. So now what 11th term will be what? A plus 10d. ठीक है, हमने पहले वाले वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कि ये d का जो कोफिशिएंट है दैट विल बी 1 लेस देन द नंबर ऑफ टर्म. a is -3 plus 10 into d. d is what? 5/2. 2 5 ja 10. So it is -3 plus 5 5 ja 25. 25 minus 3 is equal to 22. So the 11th term of the given AP will be what? 22. Next question, question number 3rd. We have 5 parts in this question. I am going to discuss here the 2 questions. With the help of these 2 questions, you may solve all the parts. See here, in 3rd question, AP is given and the 2 terms are missing. Here in this AP 2 terms are missing. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Means second and third terms are missing. We have to find out here second term and third term. So what is given? Here it is given that first term is given, A is equal to 5, and the fourth term is given is 9.5. Okay, so you may write it as a 9 to 18 plus 1 19. 19/2. This is the fourth term. Now we know that fourth term is what? A plus 3d is equal to 19/2. And the value of A is what? 5 given here. 5 plus 3d is equal to 19/2. So we have to find out the value of d. So 3d is equal to 19/2 minus 5. 19/2 minus 5. ठीक है, इसको इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दिया. Then it is what? 2. 2 5 ja 10. So 19 minus 10, that is 9/2. Means d is equal to, this implies d is equal to what? 9/2. और ये मल्टीप्लाई में था, इधर डिवाइड हो जाएगा इंटू 3. सो इट इज 3 3 जा 9. So finally the value of D is what? 3 by 2. Now what we have to find out here? Second term and third term. So you must write one more thing here, that this is given and we have to find out what A3 is what and A4 is, A2 and A3. Second term and third term we have to find out. So now the second term is what? A2 is what? A plus D. A is what? 5 here and D is what? 3 by 2. So 2 5 are 10, 10 plus 3 upon 2. That is 13 by 2. Second term will be 13 by 2. And third term is A plus 2D. A is what? 5 plus 2 into D. D is 3 by 2. 2 cancel. It will be 5 plus 3. That is 8. So here the second term will be what? 13 by 2 and the third term will be what? 8. So in this way you can solve all the problems where first and last term are given and the sum terms are missing. See the fifth part of question number 3. Here first term is missing. What is given? Second term is given. Here what is given? Second term is equal to 38 and this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term is given. Sixth term is minus 22 and we have to find out here first term, third, fourth and fifth term we have to find out. So what is given? That second term is given. Second term is what? 38 and second term is what? A plus D is equal to 38. Sixth term, the formula for sixth term is what? A plus 5D. Okay, and it is given what? Minus 22. Taken it as a first equation and this as a second equation. इसको first और second equation दे देंगे. इसके बाद elimination method से हम इसको solve कर लेंगे. Okay, माइनस कर देंगे तो A कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So 2 में से 1 subtract करना है तो first of all we have to write equation 2 then equation 1. Then we will subtract minus, minus and minus. ठीक है, subtraction में साइन आपके चेंज हो जाएंगे. तो ये माइनस माइनस, ये a माइनस a कैंसिल. ओके, सो रिमेनिंग आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें. 5d माइनस d इट इज 4d. ये दोनों नेगेटिव है तो प्लस हो जाएंगे. 0 and 6 minus 60. So the value of d will be what? D is equal to minus 60 upon 4. So it is D is equal to minus 15. Okay, so we get here value of D. Now one more thing, that is the most essential thing for an AP, that is first term. So to find out the first term, we will put the value of D in equation number 1. So putting D is equal to minus 15 in equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus D. So A plus D, D is what? Minus 15 is equal to 38. So it is plus minus minus, minus 15 is equal to 38. So A is equal to 38, a minus will become plus. So A is equal to 38 plus 15. So 8 and 5, 13 and 4 and 1, 5, 53. So the first term is what? 53. We have to find out third, fourth and fifth term. So third term we will find out. Now the third term is what? A plus 2D. A 53 plus 2 into D. D is minus 15. So 53, 15 to ja 30, minus 30. That is 23. So the third term is 23. In the same way, you can find out fourth term, fifth term of this AP. So fourth term, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A, value of A is what? We get 53 plus 3 into D. D is minus 15. So it is 53 minus 45, 8. So the fourth term we get is 8. Fourth term is 8. In the same way, we can find out fifth term, A5. It is A plus 4D. A is 53. 4 into D is minus 15. And 53 plus 15 for ja minus 60. So you will get minus 7. So fifth term is minus 7. So what we get here, it is 53. Third term, it is 23. Fourth term is 8. And fifth term, it is minus 7. Second part of question number 5. Here we have to find out the number of terms. How many terms are there in this AP? See, the first 3 terms and last term is given here. So, given AP is what? This is the given AP, and that is what? 18, 15 and half, 13, up to minus 47. So the first term is what here? 18. D, common difference, will be what? 15 and half minus 18. 15 and half means what? 15 to ja 30 plus 1, 31 upon 2 minus 18. और इसको सोल्व करेंगे, एलसीएम ले लेंगे. 31 minus 18 to ja 36. 31 minus 36 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 2 is the common difference. Now what is given? That last term is given. If we find out the number, which term is this? Okay, इस term का n हम find out कर लें कि which term is this. अगर ये fifth term होगी तो there are what 5 terms. If this will be the 20th term, then there are 20 terms. If it is 25th term, then there are 25 term in this AP because it is the last term. So the last term or nth term have the same formula. Means here an is given, that is minus 47. An यहाँ क्या है? Minus 47. So we know that formula. We know what an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An nth term is given, it is minus 47, and a, that is the first term, and first term is 18 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? Minus 5 by 2. Transposing 18 in LHS, it will be minus 18. And what is remaining here? It is n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now 47 minus 47 and minus 18, it will be 7 and 8, 15, 5 and 1, 6, 65 minus 65, n minus 1 into 5 by 2. Now transpose this 5 by 2 in this side. So it is minus 65. This will be 2 by minus 2 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5, 13 ja, minus and minus plus, so 13 2 ja 26 is equal to n minus 1. So 26 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 27. So there are, what we conclude, there are 27 terms in given AP.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो